Looks like we're off. Both horses very close together. Caroline in front, Thunder Rumble right behind.
Good race.
Looks like this one's gonna be a close one. Around our first turn, we still have Caroline in front, Thunder Rumble right behind. And it's still Caroline, then Thunder Rumble. Let's see what happens around our last turn. Looks like Thunder Rumble's trying to get around. Caroline and Thunder Rumble neck to neck. And it looks like it's gonna be Thunder Rumble, then Caroline.